up the sex in her. And I can push you in.
Oh, okay. Whoa, Holiday. Wait, hold on, Holiday. You can't give it to them dry like that. You gotta do that shit right through. They go like, come on now. You gotta prep them and keep that shit right up. Like, you gotta bring that shit back. Bring that shit.
What's poppin'? What's up? What it is? What's up? I don't even know what intro that is. Hi guys, welcome to the little vloggy vlog. It is February 27th. You guys just have no choice but to believe me. And we are going on a trip tomorrow for my first 21st birthday. My favorite watching was happy birthday. Wow. Anyways, I just dyed my eyebrows. I'm about to remove the dye. I see what it looks like. Because I literally don't have any eyebrows. I know it looks like I do, but I actually don't. And I'm gonna get them microbladed very soon. My camera is flashing at me. I don't think I've had this camera since like last year. Mayo, what's the vibes? How are we feeling? You guys, honestly, let me show them the time, because I feel like some people might not even believe us that this is what we're actually going through. Like, it's currently not the alarm, anyway. It's currently 4:44 a.m. We're about to go to Pearson Airport. Me and Maya are running on like 2 hours of sleep. And whose fault is it but ours? Oh, hi guys. Jesus, I pick my problem. You should do. No, I don't care.
Guys, I look like my problem.
You should do rules of the trip. Speaking. Okay, guys, we are about to leave. Here's the damage we are doing. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get into the Uber. Alright guys, we are here. I think Shimmy them are already here. And if not, I guess we're about to find out, innit? Whoa! So guys, we're about to go to the grocery store and get food. We're getting groceries right now, guys. So I need to be in my influencer era. Influencers. You can't make a cake. You can make a cake. Doesn't like cake. That's fair enough, chef. People will be like for it. Go Shamey, go Shamey, go Shamey, go Shamey, go Shamey, go Shamey. And then We're going to the villa. I think they're going to check in early, hopefully, because it's literally like I think 12 p.m. and check-in is 3. But yeah, we are in our next location, and it's called Crackpot. I think we're about to eat some food right quick. At the Crackpot. What are you gonna get? What do you think?
I'm feeling some oxtail.
Oh, have you had oxtail before? Is it good?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try some oxtail.
Something shrimp.
Something like seafood. Yeah. When an island, might as well. But yeah, guys, here we are. You guys say hi. Hi. Definitely the tune for the party. Come on, get it. Open. The game's nice. You can drink. I only have cards. That's all I have. Did you make everybody forgot? This vlog is going to be so serious. Like, anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in our next clip. I might do like this today. How did I see?
Taste of girls who just eat down. Eat good. Roll down.
Hey guys, hi. Hello. I'm good, thank you. Guys, welcome to the villa. Peace. Oh wow! Oh my god! Wow! What? This is so crazy.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I'm sure you guys have by now seen the villa. It's really cute, really sexy. It's giving very much me fit at 21. I'm about to get ready. Just took a shower because it's so hot and like humid, but like it's like a good hot. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm going to do a bronzy, soft, blushy look. I'm just drying my lashes. I just washed them. I need them to dry up, and then I'm going to see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so I am personally like completely totally ready. I have this little two-piece on. It's from Cuckoo. I don't know if it's Cuckoo or Cuckoo. I don't give a so yeah, we're going for Mife's birthday dinner. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Debrief. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Good morning vlog. So this is day 2 at Turks. You know, in the villa. So beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. So today we're going on a yacht, and then after we're going for like a fish fry. Okay, we're going for like a fish fry thingy after. Sorry, I'm not stabilizing my hand, but yeah, yacht day and then fish fry. So fish fry is like a carnival type thing where like there's like food vendors, music, drinks, everything, you know. It's gonna be a vibe. So excited. Then we'll probably just come back home, chill, vibe, you know the vibes. It's 8 a.m. and shots count 1, so then I'm gonna take more shots, gonna vibe, but yeah. Here's the setup, y'all.
What's going on here? Hold it.
Spicy food. That's spicy. Can you please see that? I'm just making some bacon, eggs, waffle, you know, just like English breakfast basically. So you're gonna see the final result. And then there's just 5 people out shopping. Shot. Like, we're gonna take a shot at 8 a.m. in the morning. Guys, this is what we made. Some eggs, waffles, French toast. Okay guys, so we just finished eating breakfast. It's currently 10 a.m. I need to get ready for the yacht and the, what else are we doing? Jet skis. Me, I cannot jet ski because I can't swim. So it's going to be Anita and Mifa. And the other one's just skiing, but we're going to go and like get ready. So yeah, let's go get ready and we'll talk to you guys in like 30 minutes. We are here. Hey guys, here we are. I said the water is blue. They were not kidding.
phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play you.
White Coke, Diet Coke. You sure y'all don't like beer? Y'all drink beer?
No,
Okay.
we're girls.
Alright, we got
Girls,
some
we don't do
quick
that.
movie.
Come we go to the beach.
Huh?
Hey, beach you can go to.
Yeah, we can go to the beach.
Yeah, that's the most like, yeah.
Should we bring lip gloss?
Are you guys excited to go on a jet skis? I'm gonna do this because I can't swim. My next thing I'm doing in this life is learning how to swim because there's actually no way that at my big age me almost swims.
DJ, where is she? I'm going to give me the one. One day I'm gonna
You're gonna what?
she doesn't come back.
You're gonna what?
You
This is evidence that you killed me.
you know
This is evidence. No, continue. No, say what you're saying now.
this is a joke.
Say what you're saying.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that careful. That the baba fry yo, my ayo, don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow.
Okay guys, so as you guys can see, we are back from the yacht and we are getting ready for fish fry. I literally just had to like put some powder in my makeup and that was it. I was fucking my other outfits, I had to change. Everybody is ready. Like I said, we're going to fish fry. I think I'm going to vlog on my phone because I don't want to bring my camera on, like, because it's very like loud and a lot there. So, but yeah, shout out to our yacht guy. I think his name was Corey or something. I'm gonna, that's our yacht guy now. Anyways. Okay guys, so we're officially back in the villa. Fish fry was a vibe. It was weird that we literally left that 10 minutes before it ended. So like, if we had come early, I feel like we might have had more fun. But yeah, it was a vibe. I liked it. There was one dog that was running loose that was very scary. But apart from that, it was a good like energy. I felt like I got to connect with the people here. But you guys, the men here are a bit scary because they literally talk to me and they're looking at my ass. Is that where my eyes are at? So eyes are up here. But yeah, we're going to, I think, chill. We want to go in the pool, but it's literally so cold. Like, I don't know why I thought it'd be really hot here, but like, it's actually really chilly at night. Yeah, it's a bit chilly. But yeah, guys, this is it. I'm gonna go back inside now. Good morning, vlog. We are officially into day 3 of Turks and Caicos trip. We are on our way to Rock House Resort for some birthday brunch. Like almost everybody's wearing white. I have this little IMG dress on, some gold jewelry, and the makeup is done. If I do everything to say to the vlog.
Mwah, no phone.
Girl, you guys, if I broke her phone. She fell down. She never let she fell down. So
I know what's inside
the seeps and the cracks.
Because I was doing the rest of the day. It was at night.
And now she started acting up. Yeah, Lisa is also wearing. We're actually all wearing white. This is actually crazy.
We all white.
Unplanned. Giving very much going to my first wedding. But yeah, guys, we're about to go to the resort, get some brunch, some pictures, and then today is club day. Wow! I want to see how they're partying in Turks. Like, I'm actually excited to see. Like, do they listen to Afrobeats here? Like, I don't know what the vibe is.
Probably yesterday they were doing some.
You want to say hi to my vlog? Wait. Hi. Say hi. Say what's up, y'all. If you guys come here, you better book my guy. Like, he's the one and the only. Literally. Woo! But yeah, guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys about all in the car because at this point, half the crew is still inside doing God knows what. But hi guys, I don't know where we're in the vlog, but we are currently still at the Rock House Resort. I'm just chilling here, taking in the view. We're going to Shisha tonight. I just spoke to some of the people that worked here, and they were really nice. And they told us like those are the best spots to go to. and then we might go to Versace after, because like that's like the after thing. I need to show you guys this view like right quick. It's so amazing. Like I wish you guys could be here with me. It's so pretty. But yeah, I'm just here just soaking in the weather and just like relaxing. Like this was if you this see, let me just tell you now, if you want to come to Turks, is your sign. I'm giving you the go. Come, just like fashy, whatever you're thinking about. If it's money, time, work, I don't care, just go. Like you only live once. At the end of the day, just do it. But I think everybody's just on the beach, just relaxing. I'm just chilling here. I might go down for like a second, but yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures. Yeah guys, hi vlog. So we are back from Rock House. It was really cute. The vibe was just giving tropical. Yeah, it was giving resorts. I need to check it for them. But anyways, we're going to chill. We're going to Shisha Lounge today in a couple of hours. It's currently 7 p.m. We're going at 12. So we're going to watch Love is Blind. We're going to binge watch Blood and Water. And then after, we're going to go and get ready. But yeah guys, we'll talk to you soon. They don't really know you. I just don't know you. Good morning guys. So it's officially day 4 of our Turks and Caicos trip. Clearly I've lost my voice. If you saw the last clip, you remember that we went to Shisha Lounge. It was a vibe. Like the crowd was very minuscule, like very little people there, but the music was so good. Shout out to the DJ. I literally went up to him. I'm like, can you play some Afrobeats? Because they were playing all these like drill rap, which is cool, but for the whole night, like I'm not trying to listen to that. So I was just like, yo, can you play some Afrobeats? He's like, where you from? And then he started playing like good songs. Like this guy was playing Ashawo by Flavor. I was like, huh, what you know about Ashawo by Flavor? I was so confused, but the energy was so good. Like we literally had so much fun. Like people were literally buying us bottles and stuff. Like I had a really good time. Like Toronto, you could literally never. Today's my first like keto brunch. We're doing like a pink pool party. I have to leave in a couple of hours, so I think I'm gonna get ready and take pictures one last time, because like my next time I'm gonna be like, let me go to Turks so I can take some pictures, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna go show you guys like, oh, I just can't get about this view. I'm gonna be so sad. Like, oh, I'm just gonna be so sad. Like I don't want to leave. Chef, you can go now.
Hey guys, my name is Chef Wenton. I'm with something called TCI on Instagram, on TikTok. Today we go to lunch. We have French toast going, we have waffles going, bacon sausage going.
Where's the bacon and sausage in the oven? Y'all check this out. Check this out. Ooh, damn, everything looks so good. But yeah, guys, you guys should hit him up next time you're here. Thank you, Chef. Okay guys, so I just got the coaster up. I'm done with this trip. My skin looks so bad because of all the makeup I've been wearing. Like, I've literally never had to wear this much makeup in my life. Even in 9, she still got breaks. Trying to find something to eat because I'm not done with there's no food in my house right now. So let's walk all the way to D. Back in Canada, it was a very, very smooth ticket. I can't even lie. Smooth process. But this place is really noisy. I barely even hear myself because I've lost my voice. But I'm gonna have to talk to you guys later.